This question everyone needs to ask themselves, because this decides whether you're going to survive in this AI jungle era or not. The question is simple. Where do you sit in this new programmer's food chain? This food chain, hierarchy, or whatever consists of 4 levels. Level 1 creatures are called as the token gamblers. Majority of the people lives here, and look, there's no shame in it. The level 1 programmer opens Claude, ChatGPT, or whatever model that has higher benchmarks. They drop midnight ideas and deploys the project. They have never read a compiler error, and they couldn't fix anything by adding please fix this to the prompt. They believe that they have understand React because they have used it. They do not understand React, by the way. But here's the twist. They are dangerous. They ship fast. They don't overthink. And in 2026, a level 1 with a good taste can outdeliver a level 3 programmer.
That's true.
Yeah, that's true.
Their weakness? 1. The moment something breaks in production. And 2. AI says, I don't have enough tokens. They are cooked. Absolutely cooked. Completely. Level 2 people are called the craft persons. Level 2 actually reads the docs. Wild, I know. They know why things works. They actually understand call stack. They have debugged something without using AI and felt the specific euphoria that comes with that. They write test, not a lot of test, but some test, meaningful test. In 2026, the level 2 programmer has figured out the meta game. They use AI as a power tool, not a crutch. They review the generated code. They refactor it. They understand when the LLM is confidently wrong, which is disturbingly often, by the way. Their superpower is judgment. They know which shortcuts are technical debt. They choose debt deliberately like adults. Their weakness? Imposter syndrome. Because they know enough to know how much they don't know. And that knowledge is a burden. Level 3 are the system thinkers. Now we are getting into rare gems. Level 3 doesn't just write code. They design systems. They ask questions like what happens when this gets 10 times the load before there's even a single user. They have read the original MapReduce paper. They have built things from the scratch, compilers, databases, schedulers, not because it was practical, but because understanding the internals gave them model of the world that generic engineers simply don't have. In 2026, level 3 programmer is the person in the room who tells you that why the AI architectural suggestions will collapse under real world conditions in exactly the way AI can predict. Because AI has never felt production pain. Companies pay them absurd amounts of money. Level 4 consists of the architects of abstractions. This level might have a few thousands of people on a planet, maybe. The level 4 programmer doesn't just use the tools, they make the tools that everyone else builds. They wrote the framework or the language runtime or the paper that changed how everyone thinks about concurrency. In 2026, this is the person who looked at the AI revolution and instead of asking, will AI replaces me, asked, how do I build the infrastructure that AI runs on? They are playing a different game. Not a game of shipping features, but a game of shifting paradigms. So, what does this mean for you? Here's the uncomfortable truth that nobody in the YouTube comment section wants to hear. The gap between the levels isn't closing, it's widening. AI made it easier to be level 1, but also raised the bar for everything above that. Because now, if your only value is writing syntactically correct code, so can monthly $20 subscription can do. The programmers who are thriving in 2026 are the ones who use the AI explosion. They let AI handle the boilerplate so they could spend their brain cycles on architecture, production thinking, and the kind of judgment that AI used as next token prediction. The goal isn't to avoid being level 1. Everyone starts there. The goal is to keep moving. Which level are you? Drop it in the comments. Be honest, nobody judging. Except me, I'm judging a little.